What is up, you guys? Pete Carlo here, and today we're going to do a quick little update on NVIDIA. We've been talking about this a little bit on this channel. I do currently have a position which I'm probably going to end up closing. I'm up about 47% on NVIDIA, but big money has come out and they've been buying this heavy today. Already $7 million worth of calls have hit NVIDIA today. We're going to go over the flow. We're going to go over this big bull flag. We're going to go over price targets, if I think this is a buy, hold, or a sell, and what I'm specifically doing with my position. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell because all these videos are time sensitive. Check out our Discord. It's completely free. We are growing to be the top free trading platform Discord out there. There's tons of free courses, free live streams, seminars, webinars, and on top of that, you get access to the best unusual options activity out there. This is a $200 a month service that we pay for so that you guys get access to it completely for free, guys. Thank you for all the support, and let's take a look at NVIDIA. Now, looking at NVIDIA, which if you haven't already, I do highly recommend you go back and watch some of the videos that we've done on NVIDIA in the past week so that this way you get a better understanding of why I saw value in this in real time. I say this a lot, but plenty of other YouTubers do recaps of trades and recaps of how these positions went, but I usually do a daily or at least a multi videos per week talking about positions that I'm going over with you guys so that you guys get a real-time understanding of what I'm looking at and why I see value in something, which to me is extremely crucial whether you're following the trade or if you just want to see how I think, because that can be, implemented into other trades for you guys. But looking at this, we are within this beautiful bull flag. We did pull back down to this 50% Fibonacci level here, which is a very important level. We bounced, we're holding the 11 and the 22 EMA. And the RSI right now is pointing up. The MACD is attempting to cross. We are up about 3.71% today, looking very solid. And just looking at this from a technical standpoint, it's looking like we should at least see a pushback up to 324, but probably a pushback up to 345, which would be a very significant move for NVIDIA. Even from here, it could be another 13% move to the upside, which is a very, very strong position and very strong move. Now, looking at the flow for the day, tons of calls, nothing but calls have come through. Most of them really are for 1.7 and 1.14. The biggest ones that I was initially looking at today were these 1.7, 3.10 calls. Now, when I post an unusual flow within our Discord community, it doesn't mean follow this exact flow. I wouldn't be buying something that expires in a week, even if I was day trading it, because for me personally, that's just not how I trade. But looking at these flows expiring on the same date, same strike, ton of urgency, all AAs, which means above the ask. Now, if you guys don't know how to read these, you guys can watch the videos on our YouTube channel on reading heat maps, reading flows. All the content is here to help you guys. There's good amount of size for the amount of calls that are coming through, and overall, big money is really buying this up pretty heavy today. When you look at a flow that expires on that date or even a date for next week, they're not expecting something like a couple month long hold. You have to realize that. I think that the people who are buying into that are looking for a potential move up to 320, maybe even 321. But even at that, that is a really good move for them. Now, at this point, the position that I have is a put credit spread for NVIDIA. We talked about it a couple of days ago. I sold the 295 puts and bought the 292 puts, which means that as long as it closes above 295 by this Friday, I will make a total of $230. At this very moment, I am up $102 or about 50% on my position. So I think that I'm probably going to end up holding on to this trade maybe later into the day, or maybe even closing it just for a small profit, depending if we can run up to like 309 or 310 throughout the day. At this point, I am shooting this at about 11 a.m. So that is something to realize, that if this video doesn't get out till like 1 o'clock, then maybe some of the numbers are a little messed up. But overall, I really like NVIDIA. I think this thing is looking great. I will continue to update you guys on this trade and on the positions that I'm taking. Let me know what tickers you guys want me to go over. Hit the like button, subscribe. Also, really quickly, look at this heat map, okay? Look how dark this green is on the heat map. Those are the calls that we were watching earlier. So looking at the heat map, very bullish as well. Hope this video helps, guys, and I'll see you later on. Peace.